I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to either speed up or slow down your YouTube video playback speed in the YouTube mobile app. Step 1. Open a video in the YouTube mobile app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device that you want to either speed up or slow down. Step 2. Tap that video to view the on-screen controls and then tap the settings icon, which looks like a gear. A menu opens. Step 3. Tap Playback Speed. A window opens where you can control the video playback speed, which by default will be set to 1. Step 4. If you want to slow down your YouTube video playback speed, move the slider to the left to decrease this value. As you move the slider, your video will slow down in real time. Alternatively, if you want to speed up your YouTube video playback speed, move the slider to the right to increase this value. Again, as you move your slider to the right, the video will speed up in real time. Step 5. When you land on the playback speed you want, just tap off of the window to close it and watch your YouTube video at that playback speed. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.